MilleyRocks. This is Camille coming to you back with another video. As you can see by the title, I'm going to show you how to make a copycat Starbucks Iced Caramel Macchiato. Okay, so this is my all-time favorite drink from Starbucks. It's very, very simple. I have saved a lot of money doing this at home versus going to Starbucks and paying $5.58 every time for a grande iced caramel macchiato with an extra shot of espresso and caramel all over. I order that every time, but I just want to show you really quick how I make this drink. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So I start off with some ice. Y'all already know I like a lot of ice in mine, so hopefully y'all can see that. So I got my little glass, my clear double wall glass cup. I did get this from TJ Maxx, and I believe I got 2 for like $15. Yep, so that's that. Then I go in with my medium roast unsweetened Starbucks iced coffee. And this one is medium. I personally like dark or espresso, but this is, you know, the next best thing. This is all they had, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit, about that much. I like mine's pretty strong, but if you like yours a little weaker, you can use less, but that's how much I use. Then I want to go in with some creamer. I only put a little bit in this, like a little bit, like a splash, because I don't like that much cream. I don't like mine that sweet. You know, you can do it based on how sweet you like it. Oh, this is the Coffee Mate creamer. This is the Hazelnut. Starbucks does have a caramel macchiato one. I think that one would be too sweet for me, so I just go with the hazelnut. And then I like to put a little bit of Ghirardelli caramel in mine, because that's how I order it at Starbucks. This is probably the best drink caramel, ice cream caramel, and I just go all the way around like that. Hopefully y'all can see that, how it's looking. You see that caramel dripping down. And then last but not least, I go in with my milk. I use whole milk by Lactaid. This is just my milk of choice. You can use skim, you can use 2%, but I like whole milk. And that's actually a lot of milk, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some more coffee to mine. And yeah, there we go. So I have my straw here. Hopefully y'all can see that. Yeah, I'm getting my thumbnail in as we speak, but that's all it takes. Literally like 5 ingredients total. And this is, I'm gonna do the math on how much this costs us by serving size, but this is way less than $5.58. Okay, period. So let's give it a taste. You cannot tell the difference. So y'all, the only thing that I can tell the difference in this is that it's not espresso, but other than that, like, this is definitely a copycat version of the Starbucks Iced Macchiato drink, and it tastes amazing. Amazing. So this is it, guys, for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace. Ooh.